The creators blowing up right now have a secret. And it's not that they make more content. It's that they make one piece of content and squeeze 30 out of it. One long video becomes dozens of short clips. Those clips go everywhere, and every single one is a little hook dragging new people back to them. And in 2026, an AI does the entire painful part for you, in minutes. Let me show you exactly how. Stick around, because this one tactic is the fastest way to grow a new channel from zero, and almost nobody does it properly. First, why clips? Because short video is where discovery lives now. Long videos are where you build trust and make money, but shorts are how strangers find you in the first place. The algorithm will happily show a 15-second clip to 100,000 people who've never heard of you. And a slice of them will click through to the full video, subscribe, and become real fans. So one long video isn't one piece of content. It's the raw material for 30. Now here's the problem, and why most people never do it. Doing this by hand is brutal. You have to re-watch your whole video, find the best moments, cut each one, reframe it from wide to vertical, add captions word by word, make sure the subject stays in frame, for every single clip. That's hours of soul-crushing work for one day of posts. Most people try it once, hate it, and quit. So let's automate the entire thing. The tool that does this for me is Opus Clip. You paste in a link to your long video, and within minutes it hands you a stack of ready-to-post short clips. But not random cuts. It uses AI to find the moments most likely to go viral, and actually scores each one so you know which to post first. Then, automatically, it adds animated captions, reframes everything from wide to vertical, and even zooms and tracks to keep the action centered. What used to eat an entire day now takes about as long as making a coffee. It's free to start, so you can run your first video through it today. The link's in the description. Now let me give you the system to actually grow with this. Step 1. Make one solid long video. This is your content engine. Step 2. Run it through the clip tool and get your batch of shorts. Step 3. Post them consistently. Spread them across days and across every platform you can. Shorts, Reels, TikTok. Step 4. And people miss this. End each clip on a mini cliffhanger so viewers go looking for the full video. That's the whole loop. Clips bring strangers in. The long video turns them into subscribers. A couple of mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't dump all 30 clips in one day and then go silent. Consistency over weeks is what trains the algorithm. 2. Not every clip will hit, and that's fine. You only need 1 in 10 to pop to get a wave of new eyes. It's a numbers game, and now the numbers are basically free. Think about what this actually means. One afternoon of work, one long video, can now feed you a month of short content that runs while you sleep, finding new people on complete autopilot. That's the leverage the fastest growing creators are using right now, and it has never been this cheap or this easy to copy. So here's your move. Subscribe, because we're building the entire faceless content machine on this channel, piece by piece. If you caught the video on making the content itself with AI, this is the growth engine that sits on top of it. Put the two together, and you've got a system almost nobody your size is running. I'll see you in the next one.